Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Discord not opening. So if your Discord is not working on your mobile or on your computer laptop, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we talk about mobile version of the Discord. So if your Discord application is not working in your phone, first of all you have to open your Play Store and search for the Discord right here. Once you will search for it, then you can simply update it from here. Once you will do it, now go back and tap a while on the Discord application. Go to the app info. Now here you will see storage and the cache. Click on it. From here you can simply clear a cache and try to open your Discord. It will start working. Moreover, if it's not worked, simply you can clear storage and then give login details to get login back to your Discord. And in the laptop or the computer you can simply download the latest version and it will start working. Simple method. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.